Hello, this is Brian, and today I am going to show you how I'm going to repair the gear mechanism that drives my landing gear on the front of the fifth wheel, because the original gear housing was made of plastic and some parts have cracked that hold it in place, and I've ordered in and received today a new aluminum one to replace it with. So here is the plastic one in place with the motor attached. And as you can see, in the front of the fifth wheel, it drives these legs up and down. And then down here, I just got in a brand new one. It says by Venture Manufacturing who the original is, and I ordered it from eTrailer.com. I believe Saturday evening. I called them Sunday to verify the right part, and then they shipped it out Monday, and it got here Thursday from Missouri. Okay, the first thing that I need to do is disconnect the wires from the motor. At least first thing I'm going to do to replace this gear housing. Make sure nothing, put the wire nuts back on just to make sure nothing accidentally trips the switch. Take the motor off. There's two Phillips heads screws, one here and the other one is back in here. So I'm going to take the motor off first, take it loose to get off of here. Make sure that these are going to line up with the new part. Perfect fit with the motor. The next thing we need to do is take this shaft loose. Remove this bolt. Pull the bar back out of the way. And then this just kind of pulls off. Now, I had this off last Saturday, but I had ended up taking a file and filing around here because there were some burrs from it being on there. And so this slid off easy because I had already filed that down, but you might have to take a file to that. Now let's see if the new one's gonna fit on. Turn the spindle here to get the line up. Perfect. Alright, so we got that on. Next step, let's put the bolt back on. See if I can get it to go this way better. Okay, there is a hex head in here, but I didn't bring any Allen wrenches out. I can just turn it in there with the pair of pliers. Alright, we got that tight. Now to install the motor. Alright, that screw's started. I got this hose zip tied up so to the pipe above. That's partly why it's staying up there. Alright, so alright. Let's get the wires connected up. And that hose is the vent hose for my battery. So, let's see what happens when we... Much better. The parts that are broken on this is right here. And I tightened it down, but as you can see in the plastic housing on both of these corners, and that's the only thing that holds that mechanism in there still. You can see where this isn't cracked totally, but it was getting there. So, and that's I don't know why they didn't originally make aluminum or metal housings for these, but they didn't. So if you happen to have a fifth wheel, it might be something you want to look for, because it looks like this brand and these gear housings, depending on how old they are, may have been made out of plastic. So another fix done on the fifth wheel, so we can go camping soon. Like I said, bought the replacement at etrailers.com online. They have several of these for different models, so go online and check with them. They look like they're out of Missouri. They shipped it Monday from Missouri, and I had it in Northeast Ohio by Thursday. So I think that's great service, and I will use them again for other parts and things that I need.